I tested 3 different AI tools to make money online. Honestly, 2 of them completely failed. But one actually made me money, and today I'm going to show you exactly which one worked, how I used it, and how you can copy it starting today. People say AI is the shortcut to money, but is it really? Let's find out, because I actually tested it. Hey! Welcome to Digital Wealth with AI Now, the channel where we test real AI tools to see which ones can actually make you money, even if you're starting from zero. No confusing tech talk, no fake promises, just real experiments and real results. In today's video, I tested 3 AI money-making methods, but only one actually worked. Let's get into it. AI tool Hashone, the lazy YouTube side hustle that almost worked. AI thumbnail design, the lazy YouTube side hustle, start free. So I saw this online people saying you can make money designing YouTube thumbnails using AI. Sounds easy, right? Just use AI, drag, drop, download, and sell. So I tried it. I used tools like Canva, AI, Kittl, and Microsoft Designer, all free. I created thumbnail samples and posted them on Fiverr, Upwork, and Facebook groups for YouTuber. I got messages, but most people asked, do you have previous results? Can I see a portfolio? And that's where 80% of beginners get stuck. AI can help you design, but AI can't build trust. Verdict? This method can work, but it's not instant money. You need examples, reviews, and a small portfolio first. So, I moved on to AI tool Hashto. AI tool Hashto. This one nearly took my time for nothing. AI-powered blog, content writing. For beginners. People say, use AI to write blogs. Do SEO writing. Earn passive income. I even tried making a niche site idea and product review articles. The content looked good, but there was a problem. Google now detects AI content easily. Every website owner wants human editing. I had to rewrite a lot. And guess what? I spent hours and earned 0. Can this method work long term? Yes, but it needs strong SEO skills, niche research, keyword strategy, and not just AI. So this one didn't work for me. And then came the final one, the one that actually made money. AI tool Hash3, the one that actually worked. Start a faceless YouTube channel using AI, no filming, no face. Still make money. This actually surprised me. I created a faceless AI YouTube video without showing my face, without filming, and without talking. Here's exactly how I did it, my process. You can copy this step tool. I used Purpose One, ChatGPT, Script Writing, 211 Labs, or TTS Maker, free. VoiceOver 3 Pictory, InVideo AI, Canva AI stock. Footage and visuals. 4 CapCut, Premiere Simple Editing. 5 SEO title plus thumbnail posted on YouTube. I posted a 3-minute video, and after 4 days I got views, watch time, 2 subscribers, and my first ad revenue tracking enabled from YouTube Shorts bonus and retention system. It wasn't much yet, but it actually started working. I saw a real path. And the best part? No face, no camera, no speaking. 100% AI generated. This is the one I continued. This is the one that has potential. This is the one beginners can start today even with 0 skills. Real talk. Before you jump in, AI is powerful, but AI alone won't make you money. You need strategy plus consistency. Lazy money is possible, but 0 effort equals 0 results. That's why on this channel, I don't just show AI tools. I show you AI money paths that actually work in this, yes sir. So here's the question. Do you want me to turn this faceless AI YouTube method into a full STEP tutorial? Like script template, voiceover method, video editing process, thumbnail, everything? If yes, comment AI channel below, and I will drop it in the next videos. You've just watched Digital Wealth with AI Now, where we don't just talk about AI money traps. We test them and show you the real ones that work. Don't forget to subscribe. Drop a comment. Share this with someone who needs an AI breakthrough this year. See you in the next video where I test another AI method, so you don't waste your time. Let's build digital wealth the smart way. Watch the full step-by-step setup how to make money with this AI tool. Click the link in the bio.